What is up, everyone, and thank you for tuning in to another Free My Wheels video. And here we have a special unboxing from this awesome movie, this incredible movie, The Incredibles. Here we have the 4 pieces, the diecast pieces from this brand called Jakks, and we're going to unbox them all. So we have the police car, and then we have the Incredibles. And then we got the boosted Incredible. ¿Los quieres abrir? And then we have the Underminer Tunneler. Okay. And Noah wanted to join us, and we're gonna try to take him to the movies with us to go see this one. ¿Cuál quieres abrir primero? Este. Here is the boosted, the Incredibles car. Let's check this. Mira, te lo voy a abrir, pa. Mira, otro. Ajá, ahorita tú lo abres. Ahí está. Wait. Sácalo. Ahí está. Wow. So this is the boosted one with the little flame in the back, and then they have this one that has no boosted in the back. So let's check this one out. So if you're thinking about getting these run from $3.50 to $3.90, almost $4. So there is the unboosted one, just a regular one, and then here's the boosted one with the little flame. Right now, when Noah's done with them, we'll compare them and check them out. So those are the 2. And then let's go with the Underminer, the Tunneler. And do these quickly, so that Noah can play with these and get used to the movie. I mean, he likes Jack. Wow, this one's pretty heavy. Oh wow, the Underminer Tunneler that comes out at the end of the movie, the first one. And it comes and then it comes out in the beginning of the second movie. That's what I've heard. So there it is. Espérame. Wait. And then here we got the police car. Really cute police car. So I was only gonna get the police car, and then hold on. Can't take it out, buddy. Trying to take it out. Sácalo. Oh. Sí, tú. Ahí está. Sácalo, no se sale. Sácalo, tú puedes. Ay, se atora. Oh yeah, finally, ya lo libramos. Uy. There they are, beautiful cars. Here's the police car. Mira, enseñemos. Mira, si te gusta a ti. Mira, Mr. Incredible. So that's this car right there. Enseñémoslo bien. A ver, sí. Yeah, mira. ¿Te gusta? Sí. Ya, ¿quieres ver la movie? Sí. ¿Te la pongo ahorita? Sí, pa. So they are really cool. Diecast. The Underminer. These don't turn. Very cool though. Either way. There's the wheels on the bottom. And there it is. Mr. Incredible's car. Very cool. Hopefully they release more of these, maybe another 4, so that maybe with the bike, Elastigirl's bike, and more likely they're gonna release other models, but maybe once the movie comes out. But yeah. So there they are for comparison, the one with the boosted flame and the one with not, and there they are, the 4 for this collection, for this series. Right? So as you can see, those are the 4 that are out now. Hopefully they can come out with more. There's the Underminer and a little bit of its description in the back, and there's the Mr. Incredible car and the police car, and the one with the boosted one. These have, this one and this one say the same thing. I've already read it, but you can pause on the police car and the Underminer and see what they say. So there it is, Mr. The Incredibles diecast models. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully you guys like this movie, this next movie, or you're anticipating it as much as I am. I'm a big fan, so go look out for that. Alright, thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video. Peace.